Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the best possible source. Use the camera's highest native resolution and a clean recording profile. Once you've set resolution to 1080p or 4K, increase bitrate to reduce compression artifacts. Higher bitrates preserve detail and reduce blockiness. Make sure stabilization, heavy sharpening, or aggressive denoise are off during capture so you avoid baked-in artifacts. Also, shoot with proper exposure and white balance. Clean input makes later fixes far more effective and prevents compounding problems. Once done with capture, import your file and stabilize motion first so subsequent processing aligns frames correctly. Next, apply a balanced denoise workflow. Combine temporal denoise to use frame data with light spatial denoise, aiming for 1/4 to 1.5 strength so you retain texture. If you need higher resolution, upscale with a neural resampler or quality algorithm to 2 times or to your target display. This reduces jagged edges and makes sharpening safer. Then apply subtle sharpening to restore micro-contrast without amplifying noise. To finish, export using a modern codec, H.265 if supported, otherwise H.264. Select high-profile 2-pass encoding and set a target bitrate appropriate to resolution, typically 1025 Mbps for 1080p. Make sure color space is Rec. 709 and levels aren't crushed. Incorrect levels reintroduce banding. If issues remain, troubleshoot by reversing aggressive steps. Dial back sharpening, boost temporal denoise slightly, and re-export. This often cures ringing or blocking created in processing. If still stuck, test a short clip to iterate quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.